How to fix Instagram sign up problem. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix sign up on Instagram. All what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps page, and then go to the apps manager, and right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do now is scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. And after that, click on this force stop option and then go to the storage and click here on this clear data and clear cache. Now all what you have to do is the last step. Just turn off your phone and then turn it on and reopen Instagram, and I am sure that problem is gonna be fixed. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.